They are the second most diverse mammals in the world, next only to rodents, numbering over 900 species in the order Chiroptera. One kind or another can be found in all but the coldest climates. The group is divided into suborders: Megachiroptera, or Old World fruit bats, and Microchiroptera, or microbats, or insect bats. Among mammals, bats are unique, with their modified forelimbs that support a wing membrane. This feature gives them the capability of sustained flight, the only group of mammals to have evolved so distinctly. The bones in their wings are similar to those in human arms and hands. When roosting, they hang upside down by their hind feet and wrap their wings around their bodies like a blanket. Another unique characteristic to bats is their use of echolocation, an inherent ability in insect bats that involves sending out high-frequency sounds. The returning sound, or echoes, provides them a mental picture of their path of flight and helps them detect prey and other objects en route. Echolocation, therefore, allows insect bats to fly without hitting trees or tall structures. It is likely that this reliance on echolocation significantly reduced their vision, but as a trade-off, they developed a pronounced ability to hear. In contrast, fruit bats have large eyes and a keen sense of sight and smell. Notwithstanding this uniqueness, but perhaps because of their noise and smell, bats are not generally well liked. They are also often used to represent vampires in movies, a practice that has led people to fear these nocturnal creatures. Understandably then, bats don't get the kind of treatment people give to house pets, such as dogs, cats, or birds. But even though these animals aren't considered man's best friend, bats do play an important role in the cycle of life. Meet the family Pteropodidae, more commonly referred to as fruit bats. Two species that are widespread in the Philippines are the golden-crowned flying fox, also known as Acerodon jubatus, and the large flying fox, or Pteropus vampirus. The golden-crowned flying fox has a wingspan of about 1.5 to 2 meters and can weigh up to 2 kilograms. Biologists consider it the heaviest bat in the world. Not surprisingly, this bat is a voracious eater, preferring figs and cultivated fruit from occasional ventures into farms and plantations. The large flying fox, meanwhile, weighs less but boasts a wider wingspan. Most people remain unaware of the incredible service these magnificent creatures provide, feeding on fruits, shoots, nectar, pollen, and flowers. Fruit bats actually play a crucial role in maintaining ecological stability. They act as pollinators and seed dispersers. Seeds from the fruit they eat simply pass through their digestive system, and when excreted in flight, are spread widely over the land. This interesting system of seed dispersal helps replant trees and regenerate the forest. Considering that these bats can fly more than 40 kilometers each night in search of food, that's a lot of forest. Out of the recognized need to protect this family of bats, the Gubat Learning Center was born. 7 environmentalists from the Haribon Foundation, Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority, or SBMA, and the U.S. Peace Corps began to collaborate in 2001, aiming to educate, motivate, and empower millions of Filipinos and bring them to an understanding, appreciation, and commitment to protect the environment. The Gubat Learning Center, more popularly called the GLC, was inaugurated in August 2003. This 110 square meter facility stands right in the heart of the Subic Freeport Zone, bordering the Subic Bataan Forest. It offers an exhibit room, an audiovisual area, and a library. The exhibit room showcases multimedia stations with exciting games for children. The audiovisual area features video presentations about the Philippine environment and conservation action. The library contains educational materials, books, and even computer terminals, all providing good references for information on bats and various other terrestrial and marine life forms, giving particular emphasis on endangered species. Today, the GLC is considered one of the main attractions of the Subic Freeport Zone. It has become a necessary stop on the way to the bat roosting area, where visitors can view Subic's resident fruit bats, the golden-crowned flying fox, and the large flying fox. Thus far, the GLC has been successful in raising public appreciation of nature. But the ultimate goal is to translate that appreciation to a heightened sense of urgency toward environmental conservation. It should fill us with pride that the Philippines ranks among the richest countries in the world in terms of number of unique flora and fauna. On the flip side, however, we also have the highest number of endangered species. 55 of the 70 globally threatened bird species are found in the Philippines. This may be attributed to the fact that forest decline in the Philippines is the most rapid and most severe in the world. Our country loses an alarming average of 100,000 hectares each year. This scenario gives greater impetus for the GLC to carry out its purpose and goals. But we cannot do it alone. We need your help. Your generous support in terms of your time and financial resources will allow the GLC to continuously upgrade its facilities and update its materials in response to new trends and the latest scientific findings. In the long run, we foresee the need to expand the GLC to accommodate more people, to be able to inspire greater action and a collective effort toward environmental conservation. In saving the environment, we also save the birds and the bats and the bees. Most importantly, we save ourselves.